DJ Halloween, and today we're gonna have a special haunted house decorating contest with my main squeezy assistant, Cruella DeVille, and a spooky guest that you're going to have to see at the end. So up first is the assistant. She's gonna decorate her Halloween haunted house with all the fixings. Let's see what she can do. Alright, so what are you gonna do? What are you gonna decorate first?
So mine is a green and orange theme. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some extra orange icing on the top.
Orange icing on the top. Matches your dress. Good use of color. 1 point.
And then next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit of icing on top of the chimney here.
Okay, a little bit more orange.
And then I'm gonna add this ghost dot with a thingy inside of it and put it right there. And I also have another one.
Spider almost.
I have two.
Good job. All right, keep decorating. What's your next thing?
So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover this whole thing with orange.
Okay. She's using the orange icing as cover. Ooh. Will some of the other people take it? I wonder what Cruella DeVille's gonna do.
I wonder if there's something I can use to spread it. Like a spoon!
Well, I think, okay. A spoon wouldn't have been my first choice.
It would have?
I would have probably used like a butter knife.
Well, this is how I see people
Something flat.
spread. Well, this is how I see people spread the icing on a pizza.
People put icing on a pizza?
No, they use a spoon to spread the top.
Oh, okay, so you got that.
The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some pumpkin.
Pumpkins! DJ Halloween! Wait a minute, what are you doing?
Adding icing. I'm almost out of icing. Pumpkin.
Ooh, pumpkin on top.
Pumpkin.
Another pumpkin. Will she go for 3?
Wait.
Will she go for 3?
Pumpkin.
What? She got 3! 3!
Next up, I'm gonna add some eyeballs.
Eyeballs. To the roof. The roof. The roof. The roof has eyeballs.
The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some green icing.
Green? Ooh, that matches the eye.
Just some random green icing everywhere.
Like it rained green.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna add it on this side.
What's this big bowl of spooky looking webs?
Oh, that's licorice.
Ooh.
It looks like spaghetti.
It does. Look at that. Wow.
The next thing that I'm gonna add.
It's stuck to my hand. Okay, what's next?
I'm gonna put some icing here.
Okay.
Just add some icing, and then we're gonna spread it out.
With your spoon.
What's the big deal about having a spoon?
Just wouldn't have thought of using a spoon.
So I'm gonna do this, that.
Ooh, look at that. All right, assistant, you got a couple more things, and then you're gonna have to do it behind the curtain so we can have our friend Cruella DeVille do the rest of it. Hers.
Okay, so I'm gonna add some icing.
Do you have any more secret things you're gonna add?
Oh yeah, I do. I have candy corn.
Really? Does anyone actually like candy corn?
I gotta add some of that.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna spread it out.
With your spoon.
Just like that. Just
Okay.
like
I think we're seeing the limitations of the spoon at this point.
Okay, and then I'm gonna add a candy corn right there. And then that's all the candy corn. And then we gotta add some extra random green. And down here too. I'm making a bold statement with the green.
Very bold. Very bold.
Especially with the spoon. Just gonna add some random
Ooh, I like
green
that.
everywhere.
The candy corn standing on top.
And then the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a doorbell. No, a door handle.
Okay.
So right on here at the front, there's, I'm gonna put that there, and then a green sprinkle.
Okay, assistant. The rest you're gonna have to do behind the curtain. Because up next is none other than Cruella DeVille. Alright, Cruella, you see the assistant so far. Do you think you've got your work cut out for you, don't you think?
She used a spoon, guys. I think I can handle this.
Are you gonna use a fork?
I was gonna use a fork.
Oh, okay. Alright, Cruella, let's see what you have, okay? Assistant, you gotta take care, so keep working on it.
Okay.
So it's my turn, and I mean business with my
Alright, you
creation.
wiggles and waggles are not gonna be a part of it, are they?
No. But here is my trick that's going to be all of you. Eyes on the house. And dun dun dun.
If you break it,
I am going to decorate it from this angle. So first up, I need my orange icing. Orange icing. Ooh, too bad it's not red. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little icing here. Red is signature Cruella color. Come on.
why are you wearing all black and white then if it's a signature Cruella color?
Have
why
you
why
not-
would you wear your own?
Have you not noticed my lips, darling?
Oh, no.
Well, you should have. Ooh, what do you think? So far, so fantastic, right?
I've seen better.
What? That's not very kind, Mr. Engineer, or should I say
DJ Halloween!
DJ Halloween? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have some outlines here. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little, I'm gonna use this like glue. And this little kitty cat. Meow. Although I don't really like the fur of kitty cats as much as I like wiggles and waggles. But the cat is gonna go perfectly right there. Is that not fantabulous?
You really can't see it, so I'd have to angle the camera straight down in order to see it.
Well, I'm done with that part. Are you ready for the second part?
Yes.
Here we go. I'll give you a front view. I mean, I can just stop there. It looks so good, right?
You can stop there if you want to lose.
Hey now. Put some glue down here. All right. Next up, I'm going to put a fence so my kitty cat doesn't get out. You know, because kitty cats, they go places, and
Animals are always trying to escape.
always trying to escape me. So I'm going to go ahead and put a Rice Krispie fence around this kitty cat, because this kitty cat is my kitty cat.
Your kit's just a little bit like a hedge.
Excuse me.
Is that what you're going for?
That is the look I'm going for. Thank you very much. Now, next up, I am going to need this wonderful green icing.
Cruella, whatever you do, don't push the button over there.
I'm sorry, what?
There's a button on that thing. Don't push it.
Okay. Thank you for warning me. I feel like we're making a real connection here.
We are. As long as you don't push that button.
Okay. So next up, ooh, maybe I'll push the button to give me some.
No, I told you don't want to push the button.
Wow!
I told you don't push the
I'm
button.
so sorry. Oh, okay. So next
I
up.
can't hear you. There's electricity everywhere. What is going on?
I must have to finish this elsewhere. I cannot finish under these conditions.
Oh, it stopped. Well, look what happened to the guy. He's like all energized now.
Oh, how can I
Oh, you're
work under these conditions?
So you put the green on.
Yes, and now, what does every spooky house have flying around?
Birds.
Bats. Did
Like
you know
baseball bats?
bats can never stop flapping their wings when they want to fly?
A baseball bat? I've never seen a baseball bat. Oh, you mean like a bat in the air?
Yes, yes, and let's put these hedges on. Ooh, look how scary with the pink.
They're cat's ears. You call them hedges. They're cat's ears.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
I don't know if I believe you.
People at home, do you think those are supposed to be cat ears or do you think they're supposed to be hedges? Cat ears, clearly.
I can't handle this. I need to finish off camera. Too much pressure.
It is. Okay, so our special guest is up next. Cruella, you take your contraption and go and finish it behind the curtain, and then we will see our special guest.
I must take my gloves with me.
You should. And wait, where's our next contestant?
Blah, blah, blah.
Our special guest, the Count.
Here I am, ready to win this competition.
All right, Count. You've got up against Cruella and the assistant. You think you can win?
Easy peasy.
So here's your house. Let's see how you do.
I'm going to make a monster house.
Okay.
Oh yes, with lots of purple icing.
Ooh, very nice.
Oh yes, it'll be covered with the best toppings.
Now, Count, will you use any garlic on yours?
Oh, no. Not in my monster house. No.
No garlic.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot. Vampires don't like garlic, do they?
No garlic. No.
Should I get some wooden stakes?
No, not on this. No.
No wooden stakes?
No.
Maybe we can douse it in some holy water.
No. We'll douse it in sprinkles instead. Ooh. A little bit here, a little bit there.
Count, you're kind of making a mess.
No. This is a masterpiece, not a mess.
Oh, okay.
And for our monster house, it needs monster eyeballs. Ooh.
1 point deducted. Ooh, yeah, I like that.
Oh no, it's perfect.
It looks like it's about to sneeze.
No, it's got a smile.
Oh, it's a happy haunted house.
With candy corn fangs. Like mine.
Yeah, are yours? Yours aren't candy corn, though.
Oh, no.
I'm down!
No.
Down!
Oh no. Okay, I got to keep going. Orange frosting. Just everywhere. Like hair on a house. Yes.
Unusual thought. I've never seen hair in a house. Does that hurt the value by the real estate association?
Absolutely not. This is a monster house.
Oh.
With lots of different spooky decorations.
Very good.
And lots of bones in the yard.
It's a boneyard.
Oh yes.
All right, Count. You're gonna finish it behind the camera. We're gonna see who has the best one overall. Okay? Okay. So since show me yours. Are you ready?
Yeah. So in the front here, I did a walkway with a popcorn,
Ooh, a popcorn.
and then
Walkway.
here's the door,
Ding dong.
and then here's
The ring system, right?
yeah. And then right here is an orange wall.
Super cool.
And then up top is where it gets a little bit more creative because you got pumpkins, and then we have our dots with spiders on them, our candy corn, our eyes, and on this side I just have an orange wall. And then on this side I have pumpkins and dots.
Super cool. All right, so that's you can't put that giant one on there. Okay, now we have Cruella DeVille.
Yes, I would like you to notice my kitty cat's in a cage. And then I have these creepy crawlies coming down.
Very nice.
With some hedge, or as you say, ears up top.
Cat ears, for sure.
We have some pumpkins in our garden.
Oh yeah, there's a pumpkin right there.
Right, and a sneaky one right there.
Ooh,
Yes.
a sneaky one. The assistant even wanted to check that one out. That's a
I think I'm gonna win. What do you think?
I don't know. We have the Count, who surprisingly has a much cooler one than you would expect.
Yes, the monster house.
The monster house is what he calls it. Let's
Yes, with spooky eyeballs and candy corn
I
fangs.
think those eyes have been doing a staring contest for way too long.
see.
And it's winning.
And it's winning. Ooh.
And bony eyebrows and ghosts and bats.
You're right. Those are little bones that he used for eyebrows. Oh, you've got like a little spooky apparition coming out the window?
Yes, and sprinkly purple gooey hair.
Oh, you see the sprinkly blue gooey hair?
Yes, on the roof.
Oh, ooh, and up there?
And ears for my monster house to hear all the trick-or-treaters.
So you've got four of the senses. You've got hearing,
Sight,
sight,
taste,
taste. I don't know if I can feel. Do you think you can feel this inside?
It could feel the bats in the
Get away, Cruella, get away. It's not your house. I think she was trying to sabotage it.
Oh, no. Blah, blah, blah.
Very cool. All right, people at home, who do you think has won the spooky gingerbread contest? The count or the assistant or Cruella DeVille?
mine, totally.
Oh, me.
People at home, such a good job. Who do you think won? And do you think we did a good job with these haunted houses?
I think we did.
Oh, yes.
What should they do now?
They should like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Like, subscribe, and where else can they check out our videos?
Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Happy Kids TV.
That's right. Just make sure you talk to your parents first, right?
Right. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.